So most of you here might be thinking, maybe not most of you, but some of you here might be thinking, oh my goodness, this denominator is going to be horrific. I'm going to have to multiply the two denominators together. Not necessarily. What I would suggest is try factoring the denominators before you do anything else. So to find your common denominators, go ahead and factor them. So pause the video, try factoring, and then come back to check to see what you have. So after you have factored, now you can start comparing your denominators. And right off the bat, I notice that I have x plus 4 in both denominators. But in this first fraction, I have 3x plus 1. I don't see that in my second fraction. So I'm going to multiply by 3x plus 1 over 3x plus 1. And again, I like to put everything in parentheses here. And then I notice that in my second fraction, I've got an x minus 7. Well, I don't see that in my first fraction, so I'm going to have to multiply that first fraction by x minus 7 over x minus 7. So my common denominator is actually x minus 7 times 3x plus 1 times x plus 4.